Right, let's see then. 3 little monkeys bouncing on the bed. One fell off. No.
That was Teddy one.
Oh, sorry, Teddy. Okay, lie down, everyone. How did it start?
3 little monkeys.
3 little teddies. Okay. One said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Oh no. There were 2 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. There was 1 on the bed. And the little one said, you ready? Roll back again. Roll back again.
Do again.
Right.
The monkey one.
Okay, monkeys, quick bounce and then that's it. Ready?
No,
3 little monkeys. Are you showing your bottom? Will you pull your pants up? No, I'm censoring. I'm censoring.
3 little monkeys spooking on the boo.